Hi everybody! In this video we're going to put some new plastics on the 2016 Kawasaki KX250. Then we're going to wrap it in a really cool new set of graphics. Come take a look! So as you can see, the plastics and the existing graphics really are not that bad. I'm just changing it up because, well, I want something a little bit different. In just a moment, I'm going to show you the brand new plastics I bought and the color combinations that I chose. But basically, I bought a new front fender, a new front number plate, shrouds, side number plate, and a rear fender. I decided not to go with the new airbox cover because that's another $140 in parts. And I'm also going to reuse the front shock covers. I'm just going to put my new graphics on the existing shock covers as well as the airbox. And my overall plan here is basically to have two sets of plastics and graphics. The one that you currently see here, which I'm just going to remove these from the bike and set them aside. And then I'm going to put the new plastics on with the new graphics. And then when I am in the mood, I could swap between the two and get a different look at different places that I like to ride. All right, let's take a look at the new plastics and the model numbers for everything. Here is my table full of new plastic pieces. I decided to go with the green and black color combination. If you're curious, here's the model numbers. This is for the front fender. And this is for the shrouds. Here's the rear fender in black. The number plate. And then the side panels, or the side number plates. I purchased my graphics set from an eBay seller called Triple H Off-Roading and Graphics. The entire set, as seen here, was $95. The set came with a sticker for the front number plate, front fender, front fork guards, left and right shroud covers, swing arms, side number panels, airbox covers, rear fender, as well as some assorted pieces for covering the frame, as well as some shock covers. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using these pieces seen here, but we will see. I'm not going to show how to remove all the plastics. It's all a pretty straightforward job. Let me just give you a brief overview here. The front fender, there's a couple bolts in there that need to be removed. The front number plate unstraps. The shrouds, simply remove these bolts and they will pop off. Same with the side number plate. The rear fender can be removed by removing the bolts that hold it in place from underneath, as well as the side seat post bolts. So it just takes a few minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and then we'll take a look at the bike with all of its plastics bare and the frame just all naked. If you've ever wondered what a naked 2016 KX250 looks like, here you go. I was able to remove all of these pieces in about 5 minutes using a 10mm and an 8mm socket with a 3, maybe 4-inch extension. All right, well, let's get the new plastics on the bike. Here's the bike with the new plastics installed. Well, here it is with the new plastic and the new graphics. I have to say, these graphics went on quite easily. I was predicting having difficulty with air bubbles and creasing, especially since this is my first time applying graphics to a dirt bike, but they went on real easy. I really didn't have any issues. Each panel just took a few minutes. So check it out. Let me know in the comments which style you liked more. Did you like the first graphics kit or this one? Well, that's it, everybody. Please take the time to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time here on Go Hobby.